Supposedly there's a little meet today. Alright, you guys, one of the last drives in the Vortech V3 setup here. Let's do this for lighting. We're gonna go to the airport really quick, take the Mustang out, and then swap over to the new system, you guys. Woo! It is pretty cold today, 33 degrees. There's still snow out there, so I am nervous. Pretty ballsy. So as you can see, we've driven this car 11,000 some miles, and it's been boosted for probably 9,000 miles now on the same setup. And for 8,000, I would say about 8,000, 8,500 some miles, it's been on the 3/4 8 pulley at 750 horsepower. And then just recently, like I said, we switched to the 3/4 pulley, and then had a little bit of miles on there. So all in all, it's been fairly reliable. My biggest gripe, like the things I hated the most, was the belts on the supercharger. And like I said, you guys, if you watch my top 5 things that I hate and love about the car, make sure you do those hacks or upgrades on your Vortech Paxton supercharger, and then it'll be a wonderful machine. I'm just ready to move on to the next thing, because as guys and being a horsepower junkie, you know, we can never settle for one setup. Everyone's always upgrading, competing, friendly competition stuff, so like we gotta do it too. So that's what I'm doing, and I got a very good deal. I'm not gonna say yet until it actually arrives, but I'm super excited to go to the next platform and try it out and retire the Vortech, you guys. So if you guys see this video, the Vortech is for sale. You will need your own injectors and fuel system set up, possibly a catch can if you want to run that stuff, but it will come with everything. The grip tech pulley already attached to it, 347 pulley, multiple belts for both of those also. It comes with everything, except you guys do need, like I said, your injectors and fuel system. We finally got gas in the Mustang. That's just like every single time you take this car out, you guys, you gotta get gas, and $50 every time, minimum $50 every time if you're just going to the cities and back home. This mileage is totally wrong. It gets about 120 to the tank actually, so we do have the 2 jugs in the very back seat just in case, because you never know. But supposedly there's a little meet today. I don't know what's going on, but we're just gonna go pick up the Ram, and then just have a nice little drive with the Mustang, and then everyone's like, dude, there's a meet today, so we gotta go check out the meats, you guys. We can see what kind of soupy snacks are out there. We are gonna be a very good boy. We're just gonna go there, say hi, say what's up, and then go home, because there's freaking snow everywhere. And yes, I am driving the car, and salt, I don't know, man. You guys heard it first. I'm just gonna sell the car. Sorry. I really want to try to keep this car, but like, I love driving the car, so I'm gonna drive it if the roads are clear, you know what I mean? Yo, we are out at the meets, you guys. We got the snacks over there at PetSmart. We got the home goodies, Anytime Fitness. Woo! Oh, we got the Mustang out. It is crazy wet out here, you guys. They're trying to have me park on the snow. I'm like, you guys are crazy. But look at this EcoBoost Mustang over here. This guy dailies this thing, and he's on winter tires actually. That's pretty crazy. Not for me. Nope. Well, we're on full blown. We're on the 315s today. That's pretty scary. I'm trying to not stay out here too long, you know, in case it freezes. We got a soupy snack. That's what it is. Yeah. See what else is good out here. We got the RS3. He spent $100,000 on this RS3, you guys. This is what $100,000 gets you right here. It looks like just any other sedan, and it's lowered. Woo! Great daily for the snow. AMG over here. Oh boy, Mazda. Oh, this is a new Type R. This is the new Type R. Yo, okay, okay. I like that. Ooh, that is sick. Subi snack. All right, all right. Working our way around. Damn. New Type R? Damn. That is so sick. Man. Too bad it's not all-wheel drive. Dude, Honda would kill it if they came out with an all-wheel drive. Damn. I know. I actually like this. They're off. Dude, but this wing is kind of sick, actually. Kind of growing on me. I didn't know there's a... Damn. Alright. Dude, this Type R is sick. I like that. Damn. Check this out. We got another Subi snack rolling up here. Ooh-wee. Be a good day, boys. Up in the hood.
Let's see.
Okay. What do we see?
Slow. Just kidding.
That's the turbo? Oh my goodness.
That's a baby turbo, bro. That turbo's smaller than mine.
That is intense. You wouldn't even know that's a turbo, honestly.
Yeah.
Wow. That's pretty dope though. I mean, damn, big money over here. M4. Wow. It's slippery out though. Dang. We need that 0.5 lens. M4, real M4, you guys. Carbon fiber. Okay. I like it. We got a runner here, boys. This guy doing all kinds of stuff, you know, no plates. Come check him out. He's one of them fast boys. We got Minnesota's fastest 340i, aka fastest B58 in Minnesota right here too. Super killer, all that good stuff here. Daily driven, snow tires. Damn, this thing's crazy. Dang, big money, bi-turbo. Oh, we getting Mustanged over here. What's he doing? What are they doing?
No, the only reason he would...
Check this thing out. Oh, it's a 43. All right. It's so good. Big money.
Dirty right now, man.
Cause I went to the airport. Check out this Kia Stinger. Big money. Kia Stinger GT all-wheel drive. Those Subaru guys are awfully scared over there. So I bought a 5.0 and turned it to EcoBoost. It's not bad. I downgraded. We gotta look at the real EcoBoost over here. Woo! Damn. There's so much room, actually.
No, there is, bro. You can put a
this
bigger
crazy.
turbo.
Damn, this crazy.
I just ordered a catless downpipe, bigger intercooler.
Big.
Pipes.
This is the real EcoBoost, you guys. Damn, everyone checking out the Mustang. What do you see? Is it nitrous or not?
Well, the fact you asked it definitely is.
Blow off. Damn, that's a blow off. All right. Supercharger. All right. What do you see? Is that nitrous? What do you see? You sure?
It's all A on hard lines.
Oh yeah, here's the nitrous kit, right? Yeah.
All right.
You gotta look for the solenoids.
We're looking for solenoids here, boys.
Underneath.
Nah. Yo, we got another B58 over here. Open downpipe. It sounds like, oh my goodness, it sounds so good. Alrighty, boys, we're ready to roll out. We're ready to go to the meets. We got the Mustang out here. We got the Subi snack, Type R. All the goodies. We got EcoBoost Mustang over there. We're just gonna cruise. We're gonna be very good boys because we make too much power today. Oh, the heat. Oh. Moment of truth. Can I make it up this? This is all snow. I'm a little scared. Just go really nice, slow, poke it right up in there. Come on, baby. Oh my gosh. I didn't think you were gonna make it up. Oh my gosh. Oh man, I just want to hear it purr one last time. We did drive on the Mickeys. We drove on the Mickeys today. Oh man. Let's get a couple revs here. That thing is super loud. Wow. We're not doing that again. So yeah, today is February 5th. We went on a good drive. Blower's still on there for now, but I just want to say February 5th, blower works very well still. One last drive, guys. Oh man. It's gonna be the new setup very soon. I can't believe it. This is my last drive, probably with the Vortech. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a little cruising out there with the guys. We'll see you guys on the next one. Alrighty guys, shout out to Jared for sending me this care package here. I don't know what's inside of it. I heard it was supplements and I was like, yo, I kind of work out. But I'm gonna open up upside down just for the sake of like addresses and stuff on there. So let's just see what's in this box of goodies. Open up better than that. Hopefully nothing's messed up being upside down. All right. What do we get? Oh, we got all kinds of snacks. This one's deflated. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's like frozen like. So these were shipped like outside in the cold, sub-0 degrees. This is some protein goodies. I don't know what.
No labels.
Oh man, what's in here? We got some energy drinks here. We might have to start with this one. This one's looking a little sad, but what else do we get? Oh, these are like some drink mixes, huh? I like it. Protein bars, all right. We like protein bars. Birthday cake, another protein bar, very nice. All right, amino acids. Yeah, all right, you guys. So I'm gonna start with drinking this one today. This one looks so funny. It's gonna be scary. Don't explode, please. Oh, what flavor is this?
Can't read.
All right, tastes like orange, straight up orange. It's pretty good though. It won't sit down too nicely, but this one definitely tastes really good. Every day when I take these products, I would definitely do like a little review. But protein bars, super excited about protein bars. I'm all about protein bars. This powder stuff, I'm a little nervous. It kind of like exploded.